video. As you can see here, we are making hand sanitizer because most of you know coronavirus is out here. And yeah, so now we're going to be making hand sanitizer. So these are our 3 ingredients. So first we have methylated spirits. Second we have sun gel. And the third one is tea tree oil. Hey guys, because we're gonna put our safety glasses on because safety first, as you all know. To make your hand sanitizer, you're gonna have to put 70% methylated spirits, 30% sun gel. That's recommended on World Health Organization. We're gonna make 500 milliliters of hand sanitizer, and 350 is from methylated spirits, and 150 is from, what was it? Sun gel. So guys, we've got our methylated spirits in here. So we're gonna put 350 milliliters in this jug. So we're gonna put sun gel into the mix. So let's get into it. So basically putting half of it in. Now we're gonna put the lid back on and give it a mix. So make sure you dissolve the sun gel into the methylated spirits or the hand sanitizer won't be good. So guys, we're just gonna open up tea tree oil to put a few drops in because we just wanna make it smell nice. Just mixing it for good luck. Smells like the great outdoors. Alright, we just mixed it, so now we're gonna pour the mixture in. So first we need our thingy, whatever it's called. So now that's done, gonna do that. And there we have, peeps, we have our sanitizer. So we're gonna try this out. Nice stuff, nice. I'm sure coronavirus won't kill this. Alright guys, this is our hand sanitizer. If you like this video, thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So, this is how you make coronavirus. These are our 3 ingredients.